Good morning, everyone. Dear teachers, parents, students, and all well wishers, today we are going to conduct an online assembly. This is our second online assembly on 19/7/2021. Today, our 8th standard students are the speakers of this assembly. The agenda of this assembly is prayer by Ashraf Saffan, Tamil Thai வாழ்த்து by Pavitra Mizan team, story by Amra Tazeem, followed by word of the day from story is Reehan, and moral of the story through Tirukural will be shared by Jeshwanth, and activity about the body parts from Rajiv, and finally national anthem by Pavitra Mizan team. Let's start the online assembly from prayer. Yeah, let's start. Ashraf. Morning.
Morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, dear. Please mute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning to everyone. Yeah, dear students, very happy morning once again to all. So today we are gathered here for online assembly. So in this assembly, we are going to do a prayer and followed by Tamil Thai வாழ்த்து, then a story by our 8th student Amra Tazeem, then a new word, two new words from that story, followed by a moral of the story through a Tirukural and national anthem. Before national anthem, we will be have a activity by me. Let's see how many of you are answering for that activity. It is very simple. Let's start this session now with prayer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து. நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரிசனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Yeah, next story by Amra Tazeem.
Slow Out Sunflower. There was once a teacher who gave his pupils some seeds so they could plant and look after their very own sunflower. One boy in the class who loved sunflower seeds was so excited that he planted the seed and looked after it with great care for many days. When the first shoot finally appeared, the boy, filled with impatience, went to see his teacher. "Can I approve it yet?" he asked anxiously. The teacher answered that he could until have to tend the plant for quite some time before he could be able to collect many seeds from just one sunflower. The boy was disappointed, but he kept looking after his sunflower. However, he grew increasingly impatient and little less, but pesters his teacher about wanting to take out the plant. Desperate, the teacher asking him to be patient. As soon as the boy saw the sunflower's first seed, he cut the plant so he could eat them. But the plant was still green, the seeds were not ripe, and of course they could not be eaten. The boy was devastated. He had put so much effort into caring for the sunflower, but in the end created it all for a simple lack of patience, and he was even angrier when he saw how numerous his classmates' sunflowers grew. Ultimately, he resolved not to be so impatient in the future and to listen to his teacher. Fortunately, he was not completely out of luck, and his friends were good enough to share their delicious sunflower seeds with him. Thank you.
Now, word of the day by Rehan.
Word of the day, anxious, meaning in a manner resulting from sentence. We are all waiting anxiously for any news. Second, impatient, restless, meaning restlessly eager. Sentence. They are impatient for change. Thank you.
Next, Tirukkural by Jeshwanth.
நிறையுடைமை நீங்காமை வேண்டின் பொறையுடைமை போற்றி ஒழுக்கப்படும். விளக்கம். சான்றாண்மை நம்மை விட்டு விலகக்கூடாது என விரும்பினால் பகர் பொறுமையை பின்பற்றி வாழ வேண்டும். தேங்க்யூ.
Yeah, thank you very much, students. Let's start the activity now. After a video explanation, just wait a minute. Let's start now. So today we are going to discuss about different parts of our body. Let's start from beginning. We know the major parts of our body. Few of us don't know a simple parts name. Let's see now. This kid is trying to arrange human body puzzle. Let us learn about the different parts of the body. Let's see how he is arranging now. He first targeted face of the toy. The head is the main and topmost part of the body. Head. Head consists of the hair and face. We know this generally. Now, new things we are going to learn. See how he is decorating that toy. He wants to make the toy should smile. Yeah, he made it. See now he is telling the face is the front of the head. It consists of one forehead, two eyes, one nose, two ears, two cheeks, one mouth with teeth inside. So here we learned forehead, chin, cheeks newly. Everyone watch carefully because the activity will be based on this. Now we have attached neck. The part of the body is called the neck. We can move our head because of our neck. See now he is connecting body and hands. So now he is going to show the chest. This is the chest part. The neck joins the head and the chest together. Neck, head. See, the neck connects the head and chest. Now he is going to show stomach. So it is lies below the chest. This part of the body is called shoulder. See which part? Yeah, exactly. We have two shoulders. The two arms are joined to the shoulders. Let's see, where is the arms? Yeah, exactly. This is the arms. Note down, dears. Questions will be based on this. Different parts of the arm. This is very new for us. Elbow, wrist, where we are wearing watch. Hand. It consists of 5 digits. They're telling fingers as digits. 5 digits or 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Let's see. Our legs helps us to move from one place to another. Different parts of the legs are, it is interesting to know, thigh, knee, next ankle, and foot. 5 toes on each foot. So we don't need to call it is a fingers, it's a toes. See, now completely he made, but his hair fell down. Our legs helps to stand, walk, run, etc. Now he is stand using the legs. Now he is going to walk. Now he is running with the help of legs. So like legs, our hands also helping us. Let's see how it is helping. Yeah, the same they are to telling, like our legs, our hands also helping us in many ways. Hand, this they help us to write, heat, hold, etc. Finally, parts of the body, head, hair, face, forehead, eye, nose, ear, mouth, teeth, chin. They miss it, tongue, we will add it. Neck, chest, stomach, shoulder, arm, head, hand, digit, elbow, wrist. Now see from leg, thigh, knee, ankle, foot, then toe. Yeah, this is complete structure. Yeah, let's see the questions now. Now we will share the questions. If you know the answer, you want to chat in chat box. Wait a minute. Yeah, to make this activity more interest, we need to interact with the students. So if you know the answer for the particular question, you may raise your hand. Let's wait. I'll show the questions now. Yeah, get ready now. The first question, identify the name of the body part. If you know, you may raise your hand.
Forehead.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Very good. Superb. Yeah, let's go to next question. So here, you want to tell a new part name which you learned today. Any new part?
Elbow. Elbow, wrist.
Yeah, everyone can unmute and tell now.
Elbow and wrist.
Wrist. Yeah, very good. Very good. Superb. So today, the student learned elbow and wrist. Very good, ma'am. Next third, who can identify this body part? Let's see now. You can unmute and tell the answer now.
Me, sir.
Very good.
Me,
Very
sir.
good.
Me.
Super.
Me.
Yeah.
Me.
Nice.
Sir, me.
Yeah, super. Now, identify the name of the body part.
Food. Toys, sir.
Very good. Food.
Sir, food.
Superb.
LKG, sir.
Yeah, next question.
Food, sir.
What?
Sir, elbow. Hand.
Hand, sir.
Elbow is sixth. Observe the image. Observe the image. Observe the image and find out the body part. No. No. Yeah, right. Very good. So the answers are answers for everyone. Me for everyone. Fourth one foot. Fifth one elbow. Let's start. National anthem.
National anthem. Janahana Manahadinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhakya Vidada Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utchala Banga Vinda Himachala Yamuna Ganga Utchala Jala Sitaranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे जागे तव जय गादा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you very much, dear parents and students. So I'm very happy to announce that from 20 to 25, 5 days holidays, and the same participation want to be on next week, Monday. Thank you very much. Bye.
Our topic for today is parts of the body. Let us learn about the different parts of the body. The head is the main and topmost part of the body. Head consists of the hair and face. The face is the front part of the head. It consists of one forehead, two eyes, one nose, two ears, two cheeks, one mouth with teeth inside, and one chin. This part of the body is called the neck. We can move our head because of our neck. This is the chest. The neck joins the head and chest together. This is the stomach. It lies below the chest. This part of the body is called the shoulder. We have two shoulders. The two arms are joined to the shoulders. Different parts of the arm are elbow, wrist, hand. It consists of 5 digits. 5 digits consist of 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Our legs help us to move from one place to another. Different parts of the leg are thigh, knee, ankle, foot, and 5 toes on each foot. Our legs help us to stand, walk, run, etc. Like our legs, our hands also help us in many ways. They help us to write, eat, hold, etc.